In this video, you'll learn how to set up Base44 for beginners. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to create your first application using the Base44 platform, ensuring you understand each part of the process. Begin by navigating to the Base44 website, open a web browser and enter the URL for Base44. Once the page loads, you will see a prompt asking, what will you build today? This message indicates that you are in the correct place to start your app creation. Next, you will see a section that invites you to describe your app idea. Below this prompt, there are various templates available for inspiration. Take a moment to think about what kind of application you wish to create, as this will guide your next steps. After that, look for the ideas button on the interface. Clicking this will provide you with various app ideas to help spark your creativity. This part of the process is important as it can help you choose an app concept that aligns with your goals. Once you've explored the ideas, you will need to select one that resonates with you. Click on the idea of your choice. This selection will lead you to a new screen where you can further refine your app concept. At this point, you will be prompted to choose what kind of idea you want to pursue. This is a crucial step as it helps to narrow down the type of application you will be working on. Make your selection carefully. Next, you can explore templates from the community by clicking on the designated button. This action will lead you to a curated collection of applications that others have built, which can provide valuable insight and inspiration for your project. Once you are in the template section, you will see a message indicating that you can discover a collection of applications built by the community. This is a great opportunity to find a design that suits your needs. Now, click on All to view the complete list of available templates. This will take you to a comprehensive gallery of options, allowing you to browse through various styles and functionalities. Once you identify a template that appeals to you, click on View All Templates to see more detailed options. This will provide you with an expanded view of the templates available for selection. Choose a template that suits your needs. It is essential to select one that aligns well with your app idea, as this will streamline your development process. After making your selection, click on View Details to learn more about the template you have chosen. This will give you insights into its features and functionalities. Following this, click on Use Template to proceed with the app creation process. This action will initiate the cloning of the selected template into your workspace. You will then see a message indicating that your desired app is being cloned. This process may take a few moments, so patience is required as the system prepares your application. Once the cloning process is complete, a message will confirm that your app has been generated. You can now navigate to the apps page to find your newly created application. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.